Hey guys, it's Maya and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have a really special video for you, which is a summer study with me. So what I'm doing is right now just revising a bit for school, just taking school sort of like relaxed way. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope this helps you be more inspired to study a bit in summer, just to revise a few things and to read and just to be motivated, also motivated for back to school. So yeah, and I'm just saying this really helped me and it is really helpful just to revise a bit, because then you'll start on the right foot when you get back to school. So right now I'm reading outside because the day was really lovely. It was sunny and there was this light little breeze and I just really enjoyed it. And if you're wondering which book I'm reading Gone with the Wind by Margaret Mitchell, which in my opinion is a great book, which I would recommend to anyone who enjoys history books and fictional history books about love and romance. And I'm really enjoying it, and sadly I'm nearly finished proportional to the book because it's a really long book and I'm only missing 400 pages, so I'm kind of sad. But yeah, so I'm just enjoying the weather and reading. And by the way, if you were wondering why I'm wearing my headphones, is that I enjoy listening to some classical music when reading. It just helps me concentrate and not be unfocused and concentrate on the sounds around me. So I just enjoy listening to some music, and I think listening to Mozart or Beethoven or anyone or any other composer of classical music is great to read with. It just makes you relaxed and just gets you into that sort of mood which you're supposed to be when you're reading, and I really enjoyed it. So once I had finished reading, I decided to go to my desk and I decided to do some Quizlets, and at the moment I'm doing some vocab or vocabulary, same word, whatever you want to call it, for my SATs. So I'm currently starting to study for my SATs because I'm planning on doing them around March or June next year, and I just wanted to get a head start before school starts so I can concentrate on schoolwork. But I really enjoyed Quizlet and you should definitely try it out if you haven't tried it out, and it just has helped me to learn a lot of words already, some of which I had never heard of, and I'm just really enjoyed this app. So at the moment I was actually trying to figure out which Quizlet pack of like flashcards was the best. So lastly, I went ahead and I started to write some flashcards for revision in the coming school year for chemistry. So I just learned about this trick online. I don't know, I think I saw it online, which is where you just summarize everything you've done in that school year, in the past school year. So for me it was year 10, and I'll just have a summary of everything I learned that year. For year 11, because in chemistry and maths you always need the basics, and you're not going to learn the basics again, especially if you have a limited amount of classes. So I just decided to write all the basics of chemistry which I had learned that year, just so I have just a reminder for whenever I need it. And if you guys would like to see a video in more detail about how to do these flashcards and why I find them helpful and how to do them exactly, just let me know in the comments and I would be more than happy to do it. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing different clothes in this clip, is that I filmed this the day before and I just decided to add it in. It's the same anything. I'm just making flashcards, and I really enjoy using flashcards to study, especially for subjects like chemistry and math. Well, not exactly math, but English and languages. So yeah. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below to watch more fun videos like this one, and also to watch more study videos and productivity videos and motivation videos for school. And anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.